Hello everyone, welcome back to our playlist on version control using Git. Before moving further, make sure that you have watched earlier videos on remote repositories. In this video, we will see how to push and merge all the branches that you have already created on your local machine to the GitHub remote repositories. Okay, so now as you can see, we are inside our Git folder, and here you can observe that we are having file1.txt file inside our master branch. So let's just check the status of our master branch. And as you can see here, you might have already observed that we are inside our master branch and everything is good. First, let's just check that total how many branches we are having with us. So as you can see, we are having only one branch, that is master branch. So now we will create a new branch and name it as MyBR. And now we are inside our new branch named as MyBR. And if we type now git branch, then we can observe that we are having two different branches now. Now using Notepad, we will create a new text file. Now we will save these changes to Git. So till now we have created our new branch, and now we will have a look at how to push this branch to GitHub repository. Now we are inside our GitHub account and we will create a new repository. Yes, we have created our remote repository, and to push our local repository to GitHub, we will copy this first command. And now here we will paste that command. We will type git remote -v to check like what output we are getting. Okay, so let's push our master branch to GitHub. We have pushed our master branch to GitHub, but if we look here, only one branch, that is master branch, has been pushed to GitHub. Then what about the other branches? And if we do git branch over here, then you can observe like we are having all our branches listed down. Hence you should know one thing very clear, that all branches other than master branch should be pushed explicitly with git bash. And to push our MyBR branch to GitHub, let's go inside that branch first. Since we are inside our branch, to push this branch to GitHub, we need to type the following code. And if I reload this page, then you can see that now we are having two different branches added to our remote repository. If we click on this branches, then we can see that our MyBR branch has been added successfully. Now going back to our main page, you might have also noticed that there is one more option available for us which says like compare and pull request. If we click on this option, then it says able to merge, which means like we can merge without any conflict, without any merge conflict. Yes, and guys, we are again back to our git bash. So if you wish to have some different name to your branch, then you should follow the following syntax: git push origin, then the name of our branch and the name which we wish to have. If we again check our GitHub, then you can see like we are having 3 branches, and as here you can see our BR branch is also now have been added. Now we will merge our MyBR branch with master branch. So for that, let's go first to master branch. And to merge, we will type git merge MyBR, hit enter, and if there is any merge conflict, then it will tell us. But since we aren't having any merge conflict right now, hence with fast forward we have merged everything to our master branch. Since we have merged our MyBR branch with master branch, so we will not need the MyBR branch anymore. So let's delete that with the following command: git branch -d and then the name of our branch, which is MyBR, and hit enter. And as you can see here, we have successfully deleted our MyBR branch. If we type git branch over here, then you can observe like we are having now only master branch with us. And if we will try to push this updated master branch to GitHub remote repository using git push origin master, and yeah, as you can see, we are now pushing our master branch and we have successfully pushed our master branch to GitHub remote repository. And now to delete the other branches from remote repository, we need to type git push -d origin and the name of our branch, which is MyBR, and hit enter. And as you can see, it takes few seconds, and yeah, we have deleted our MyBR branch. Now on reloading this page, you will observe that this MyBR branch has been removed. So let's reload, and yeah, as you can see, our MyBR branch has been removed. We can do this same thing with this BR branch to remove this from this GitHub remote repository. To delete this BR branch, type git push -d origin and the name, which is BR, and hit enter. And as you can see, we have deleted BR branch from GitHub. Now on refreshing this page, we will only have our default master branch with us. Yeah, great. And now going to the main page, you can see that the content of MyBR file has now been added to our master branch. And please stay tuned for our next video. Thanks for watching.